how to organize and prioritize tasks. So if you want to organize and prioritize Google Tasks, then what you need to do is first you need to search for Google Tasks and then make sure that you've signed into your account. Now, once you've signed in on your Google Task, you need to just simply go with create, which will be on the left side in order to create a task. So I'll just simply go and create one, go and add a title and select the time, and then go and select all day if you want to, and then daily or weekly or monthly, or you can also go with custom if you want to, and then add a description. Go with my task and select it and go with save. After saving your task, once created your task, it will look like this, which is right here. You can also prioritize your task. Like for example, if you want to prioritize this task on top or on the first, you need to just simply drag it to the first and it will be your number one priority. In the same way, you can do the other task as well. You can prioritize your task, and in this way you'll be able to organize. You can just simply go with the three dots, which will be on the right side, and then you can just add a subtask if you want to, or add a deadline, or you can add a new list. That's how you can organize and prioritize your task. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.